Oh, Winklink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Winklink future, my friends. Absolutely, today is the last day of the June month, and on the last day of the June month, the changes occurs in the Winklink as positive. The price start exploding, the price start jumping. So what should we do at this time, my friends? How we can make a good amount of profit with the Winklink? For more details, keep watch this video complete and also subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So my friends, at this time the latest price of the Winklink is 0.004 USD dollar is the latest price of the Winklink, and furthermore the price of Winklink in a BTC is very low, my friends. Very low price at this time of the BTC price of the Winklink. And furthermore, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply of the Winklink, total supply, every update is present here, my friends. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes, so now on the last of June, the changes occur in the Winklink is going positive, my friends. On the last of June. So absolutely, if the Winklink price start jumping, so absolutely there's not a one-day pump. They will continue this pump for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, and there is a possibility to they continue this pump for 1 month, my friends. And you know what, my personal prediction, I'm sure that they will continue this pump for throughout this whole July month. So that's why I really recommend for everyone to please buy more and more Winklink if you want a high amount of profit. Do this before July. Buy more and more Winklink before July month. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.